opposing the Maharashtra government's move. Let's listen in.
We need a comprehensive solution to the Deonar dumping ground. Unfortunately, the BMC's, the lower officers, they are just interested in making money out of, misery. It's really unfortunate that such a proposal has come and the ruling party has really passed that proposal. We don't need deodorant. We need better living conditions. We need better control over the pollution. BMC is concealing pollution levels in Deonar, and unfortunately, the ruling party is supporting the attitude of the administration. We have condemned this attitude. We have opposed the proposal, but unfortunately, this ruling party does not have any sensitivity towards the real problems of Mumbai.
More breaking news coming in. The Congress has called the move simple dereliction of duty on part of the BMC. Listening to Sandeep Dixit.
Serious institutions using this kind of logic, I think is very, very unfair. On the other hand, the very fact that you start permitting various things like what's happened in the dumping ground to happen is that you're derelicting, you're running away from your duty, obviously under some kind of a pressure. And I think municipal corporations really have to stand up and ultimately look at what they've been built for, to keep cities safe, to keep cities clean, to keep cities sanitized, and to help errant citizens that all of us are in terms of a city, on a leash and obeying civic laws everywhere and in every time.
Well, let's go across to my colleague Vaishnavi Vasudevan, who's joining us live from the ground at Deonar here, where the latest controversies happened here. I'm also being joined by my esteemed guests in the studio here, Ms. Swati Singh, who's also a senior research associate at the waste management at the Center for Study of Environment, joining me in the studio at this point. Vaishnavi, we are also joining you, we are also inviting you, our viewers, to call us at the number you can see flashing at your screen, 0120436967 and join us with your views as to do Neta Babus even care for our health here. But first, going across to Vaishnavi, who's joining us from the ground. Vaishnavi, my sympathies are for you at this point, because I can imagine how overpowering the stench must be at the Deonar grounds here. And from simple knowledge, simple common sense can tell me that adding another chemical smell of a deodorant is only going to make the smell far worse.
Absolutely right. Spraying deodorant is not going to solve the problem, of course. And apart from that, already, a simple logic, if you go by, deodorant sprayed on your human body goes away after a while. And spraying deodorant on something like this, a dumping ground, which is a mountain of garbage here in Mumbai, across the city, how much of a garbage is being generated? That is 10,000 metric tons of garbage being actually dumped here every day. Absolutely, deodorant is not going to solve the problem. It is not absolutely the solution, in fact, to actually, close the dumping ground or rather whatsoever. Stench, of course, is coming despite whether or not there is going to be deodorant sprayed or not. Rather, I have with me a few residents as well. If we can just get an idea as to whether they think really that the problem would be solved. यहाँ पे कितना smell आता है dumping ground के वजह से?
स्मेल आता है मैम. यहाँ तो हम लोग रहते हैं यहाँ बहुत ही हम लोग चाहते हैं जो इसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो.
हाँ, पर लेकिन यहाँ पे अभी बीएमसी ने ये डिसाइड किया है कि डिओड्रेंट मरेंगे यहाँ पर आपको लगता है उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने वाली?
मेरे को तो लगता ही नहीं इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम. इससे पहले भी लगता है इन लोग किया होएगा तो वही वैसा ही है. हम लोग चाहते हैं जो इसको अच्छी तरह से आप लोग इसको याद कीजिए.
Well, residents in fact have been saying that many years back, around 10, 12 years back as well, there was some plan by the BMC wherein they tried to spray deodorants, but it did not really work out, and this is yet another move. Now we've been told that they are spending 1.15 crore, that is a massive amount in fact, to actually just spray deodorant on the dumping ground. We know that the Ministry of Environment in fact had slammed the BMC for not taking enough actions when it comes to closing this dumping ground, because it is a completely overburdened dump yard. But in spite of doing that, in spite of taking any sort of measures as to how this waste can be processed or how the dumping ground can be stopped from catching fire all the time and creating pollution, the BMC comes up with this innovative idea which it says that deodorant will actually solve the problem, at least this monsoon. At least people will not face the stench here. But then this 1.15 crores for 1 year, so 1 year they're going to keep spraying deodorant here, which clearly in a way also also means that 1 year probably we cannot really see that this dumping ground will be closed as well.
Swati Sambyal, forget the effectiveness of coming up with a proposal to use deodorants to counter stench here. The fact is that even at the theoretical level here, it sounds absolutely inane. Does this really indicate that our elected authorities, whether it's the government or whether it's the local level body like the BMC, have really no clue when it comes to dealing with waste management?
Well, this is possibly the most bizarre case I've heard so far, that rather than focusing on treatment and processing of waste, they are going in for, spraying deodorants and wasting crores of money on it. Rather than this, their main focus would have been treating and processing this waste and ensure that minimal amount of waste reaches the overburdened Deonar landfill site. But it's really the most bizarre case I as a researcher have come through or have seen. So this definitely shows that their knowledge is inadequate in terms of when we talk about solid waste management, and they could have looked towards solutions or moved out of their boundary and looked at a few other cities that are doing commendable work, for instance Mysuru or Bangalore or Pune, wherein they're treating their waste at source and segregating and making sure that minimal waste is reaching the landfill. But this is absolutely bizarre.
Once again, we are inviting your viewers to call us and join us with your views on 01204369674 as to whether you think this completely exposes the lack of any foresight by the BMC or any government in India when it comes to dealing with waste management. Vaishnavi, what official justifications, if at all, any, have been given for by the BMC to come up with a solution many people are already parodying on Twitter as something from a modern-day Mohammed bin Tughlaq?
Well, that's right. In fact, when the BMC was questioned about it, they said they are looking into the fact that it needs to be processed. They are trying to solve the problem, but that would not happen overnight. But the only solution for the moment, which is a short-term solution that we could find, is that spraying of deodorant so that people around do not face the trouble of the stench that is coming in from this dumping ground. It was absolutely not convincing, of course, opposition parties in the standing committee when this entire proposal came to clear the 1.15 crore budget for spraying deodorant in the dumping ground. The opposition parties had actually opposed. They said that this is a rubbish idea that the BMC is actually coming up with. It will not solve any sort of problem. The deodorant smell will of course go away, and something as massive and as serious as solid waste management issue in Mumbai, wherein the waste in the last 20 years has not been actually processed. A solution like this is being brought by the BMC, something absolutely shameless, shameful is what opposition parties actually said while debating on that proposal. But clearly the Shiv Sena and the BJP, which is ruling the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, went ahead and cleared this proposal, and we saw now 1.15 crore will be actually spent on this. Perfumes will be sprayed here, but residents clearly are saying that that is not going to solve any sort of problem. The dumping ground stench will continue. People around are living in absolute mess. There's garbage all over here, and of course so many diseases being spreading here since the last many years, and now being monsoon it is even worse. So these are the problems that are coming in, but the BMC clearly is not solving these problems. I was speaking to someone else also some time back, and they said the water here in this area has become so toxic because of this dumping ground that is located here. So BMC ideally needs to do something on that rather than spraying deodorants. But clearly, there's some bizarre idea that the BMC has come up with, which it will go ahead and actually implement.
Indeed. Now, it might come across as something as a comedy of errors to a lot of our viewers. In fact, some of my producers right now also who have worked on this story can't really get over the hilarity of the situation here. But what's important here, let's look at serious facts, Swati Sambyal. Besides the stench, the major problem because of which Deonar hit the news for a long time was because of the inability of the municipal department to control a fire which had raged on in the dump yard. It's been a chronic problem for quite some time. And everybody knows that deodorants essentially contain flammable materials. So it's literally a case of adding fuel to the fire.
Yeah, it's pretty much a case of adding fuel to the fire, and I think they're using some herbicide deodorants. I think they're using some herbicide deodorants. I don't know about its effectiveness, but this is not even a temporary solution, so to say. Mumbai generates close to 11,000 tons of solid waste, and 6,000 tons of this waste is still ending up in Deonar landfill. So rather than spraying deodorants, the municipality should focus that minimal amount of waste or only rejects end up in this landfill site. But still till date, close to 6,000 to 7,000 tons of waste is reaching to this landfill.
Indeed. So what are the concrete solutions that we really have when it comes to tackling waste management, especially when you look at a landfill of such proportions in terms of size like the Deonar landfill?
If you talk of a metropolitan city like Mumbai, we can look at hybrid solutions. We can't say that composting will work or biomethanation will work or waste to energy will work, but at different wards of the city, they'll have to adopt hybrid technologies, probably ensure that all the citizens are segregating their waste. So once the waste is segregated at source, they can take it up to a nearby unit and compost the waste or generate energy out of it, either through waste to energy or through biogas. But one should ensure that no waste is going to the landfill site. In a country wherein every day we are fighting for land and water, we can't propose new landfill sites every day. In fact, all these such sites should be shut down with immediate effect.
Well, that of course is the utopian ideal, but we clearly have no clue as to how to deal with the existing problem of landfills as well. Vaishnavi, the last time when for the second time in 6 months the fire had raged on Deonar, one child lost his life because of the fear of asphyxiation here. It seems that the government clearly has not learned any lives here, and for the residents, and I hope you can talk to some more people who are around here at this point, it's literally a battle with death every day in that poisonous atmosphere.
Well, that's right. It's a battle of death here. In fact, last time so many measures were being, announced by the municipal commissioner, Ajoy Mehta. He went ahead and said that, they will ensure the fire does not happen next time again. And for that, they will take all the necessary steps, such as they will make some boundary wall. They will also put up security guards. But if I can ask my VJ, Shrikant Vardhaman, to actually pan the camera and show, there is a boundary wall, but this is an old boundary wall. And at that corner, in between, of course, the boundary wall is also damaged, in fact. And apart from that, there is no security guard. I'm here since the last 45 minutes, but I really cannot see any security guard who is actually coming here. And there are entries, broken walls, in fact, wherein people are easily able to go inside, come out. And, I could see somebody taking the cycle also inside the dumping ground and, just loitering around. So, those are the people actually, probably, who has ignited fire in the last few months that we have been reporting. But the BMC clearly is not able to solve these problems. Many promises being made, of course, about waste to energy as well. They also spoke about how they would at least start processing little bit, on ward level, on local level, so that all the garbage doesn't come here to the Deonar dumping ground. But absolutely nothing like that has happened. Nothing has been really implemented. And people here in the area, of course, are facing trouble. They are battling with life every day. And during monsoon, it just becomes worse, is what they say.
Well, indeed, it is a raging fire. It is a ticking time bomb for the residents of the Maximum City, and one that is indicative of the potential landmines when it comes to waste management in most metropolitan cities. I'm sure Ms. Swati Samyal will agree with that. Thank you so much, madam, and also thank you so much, Vaishnavi, for joining.